Hey everybody, it's Isaac with EOS Dublin. I'm here to tell you a little bit more about EOS Dublin and introduce you to the WAX blockchain. EOS Dublin started in 2018 with the vision that blockchain technology could be created with a purpose. Since 2008, we've seen how blockchain can be used to create a system of currency. Here at EOS Dublin, we believe there are many other applications of the technology. We're interested in innovation. From the very beginning of EOS Dublin, our founder, Sharif Bouktila, dreamed up blockchain applications with really simple and straightforward utility that everyday people could use. Blockchain could be used to create private social networks for families. It could be used to exchange movie tickets or restaurant vouchers securely so people could have a greater sense of community and more options for nights on the town. These are some of the many ideas for blockchain innovation that drew Sharif to the blockchain space. Now EOS Dublin are block producers on the WAX blockchain, and we're happy to see the emergence of purpose-driven blockchain. WAX stands for the Worldwide Asset Exchange, and it is purpose-built for the exchange of digital assets. So what can you do with WAX? Well, you've probably all heard of the NFT craze, even if you don't totally understand what it is. NFT stands for non-fungible token, and it is a way of certifying ownership for a digital asset. You might think of it as collecting digital trading cards, and that's the perfect way to think about it since WAX's partners include familiar collectible companies like Topps and Garbage Pail Kids. I remember collecting Garbage Pail Kids when I was a kid in the 80s, and it's great to see any company that supports artists continue to flourish. Now, it might seem a little bit silly to think about owning the original of a digital image when we all know how easy it is to right-click anything on the internet and download it, but this kind of authentication has plenty of precedent. In 1967, the Carnegie Mellon University in Pittsburgh discovered that several of their Vermeers in their collection were fakes. They had to go through a long process of scientific investigation to discover the truth about their paintings. Also, if you own a smartphone, you've probably had the experience of buying and owning something digital, like an application or a game or even a different hat in a game. That's no big deal. Most people don't give it a second thought, mainly because we're all used to using smartphones by now. This is the same basic concept in WAX, except that it isn't confined to the restrictions of whatever company makes your smartphone. You can buy and sell any digital asset on WAX without an intermediary. It is a ginormous digital Sotheby's, and it's great news for artists and other creative people who can share their work freely and actually make money from it instead of just sharing it on social media for likes. NFTs can be exchanged on a few different blockchain networks, but WAX is the best and it's the most efficient. We'll go into reasons for that in future videos, but to sum it up, WAX was created for this purpose and it does it the best. The underlying technology, the blockchain, works better than any other blockchain network for the exchange of digital assets. So stay with us, like and subscribe to learn more about WAX and EOS Dublin. Thanks, I'll see you later.